Welcome to ExcelWiz. In this video, I will show you how to use the 5 counting functions in Excel. These are count, COUNTA, COUNTBLANK, COUNTIF and COUNTIFS. Let's start with the plain count function. This is used to count the cells that contain numbers. The argument for this function is only the range. As you can see, there are only 4 cells that contain numbers in the selected range. Now let's look at how to use the COUNTA function. This function counts all the cells that contain data, whether it is text, numbers, or special characters. To use it, type the function followed by range. In our range, the number of cells that contain data are 10. Now let's look at the COUNTBLANKS function. As the name suggests, this function is used to count the blank cells in a range. To use it, just type the function followed by range. There are 14 blank cells in our range. The next function we are going to look at is the COUNTIF function. This function counts the number of cells that meet a certain condition. For example, I can use it to count the number of cells with values that are less than 60. To use the COUNTIF function, type the function followed by range and then the condition. Make sure the range is inside quotation marks and press enter. As you can see, there are 2 cells that contain values less than 60. It has ignored the blanks and text cells. Let's look at another example of the COUNTIF function. You can use it to count cells that contain only text. Here is how. For the condition, type an asterisk between quotation marks and press enter. For the condition, type an asterisk between quotation marks and press enter. As you can see, we have 6 cells containing text. The last function that we are going to look at is the COUNTIFS function. Unlike the COUNTIF function, COUNTIFS function counts the number of cells that meet multiple conditions. It can be more than 2 conditions or just 2. For example, in this table, I can use the COUNTIFS function to count the number of products that are in stock but have made 0 sales. Thus, the first condition is the being in stock and the second condition is 0 sales. To use this function, just type the function followed by first range to be evaluated. Then type the first condition. Lastly, select the second range and type the second condition. As you can see, there are 2 products that are in stock but have 0 sales. That's how to use the 5 counting functions in Excel. Leave a comment in case you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.